Ay, huwag ka na simula ng pagkakain. Kasi bakit? Huwag tayong goal-oriented lang tayo. Huwag tayo prize-oriented. Okay, ready? First word. SLP, are you ready? Ano mo mga kinakabahan? Kasi masagot, are you ready? First, ha? First word. Heart. 1, 2, 3. Heart. Okay. Next. Positive emotion. 1, 2, 3. Pwede. Next word. Driving. 1, 2, 3. Kasi baka umanda. Next word. Carlos Yulo. Okay, Jojo and Dad, can you face each other? Okay. So, okay, rule number 1, safety first. Okay. Oh my gosh, wala pa. Okay. So, ang game natin ay talagang hinahanda kayo sa mga paparating na Christmas party. Wow! Santa hat! Big at twist. Okay, so everybody please get one hat. Ba't may nagsusunod yung shell?
One each.
Huwag na tayong dalawa. Okay guys, one per pair. Okay, so everybody ganito lang yan siya. Uy! Very easy. Okay, everybody please copy me. Hooray! Appear. Spin. Stop! Okay, get the cup and then you win. You pick another partner and then...
Yung white dalawa.
Yung ulan. Hep. Hooray. Spin. Appear. Hooray. Hep. Stop! Hooray! Hooray! Appear! Hooray! Spin! Hep! Oy! May delay. Appear! Spin! Cup! Go! Everybody! Sports! 1, 2, 3, go! Oh! Wow, thank you so much for representing GOC Games. Next word. Ballet. 1, 2, 3, go! Tanya, nakita ko sa'yo makdo yan. Nandito. Next. Stuck in traffic. 1, 2, 3, go! Ang bait naman ni Dante Anin. Pero stuck in traffic. Nagpa-pray. Okay. Next word. Winning the championship game. 1, 2, 3, go! Hold your pose, everybody. Hold your pose, everybody. Ito na kami dito. Ito na gagalingan nyo. Pag-isipan nyo. Bigyan ko ng 5 seconds. Strong leader. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oy, bakit may naiiyak? Guys, sabahan mo. Okay, so, thank you so much for making us happy. Can I ask one question? Okay, so, can you share one leadership lesson or one fondest memory na you had with Anne? Na you carry on?